Meaning of dwarf.
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 Dwarf. The word dwarf has multiple meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it is used as a noun to refer to a person or creature that is unusually short, sometimes due to a genetic condition. It can also be used as a verb to describe the act of making something appear small in comparison to its surroundings. In fantasy literature, dwarves are typically portrayed as stocky, sturdy individuals with exceptional craftsmanship skills. In astronomy, dwarf refers to a small celestial body that orbits around a larger planet or star.